Hello, welcome back to another episode of Bodycam Reactions. So what you get to see in this one is boyfriend and girlfriend get caught red-handed. They didn't see it coming at all. They get caught by the police trying to steal from this dollar store. So I think you guys will like this. See him get caught red-handed. Watch the legal consequences from their actions, from all the little things they're doing as the investigation goes on. And so I'll provide that kind of play-by-play, and so that's what you'll get to see on this one. If you continue to stay and watch to the end, you get to see what happens, and just get to watch how everything evolves. All right, hope you enjoy.
How you doing there? You guys doing okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we got a call here. Okay, we got a call here from management, and you know, they said that they have you guys been trying to take the tags off the clothes?
No.
Okay.
They went in the
Okay. You have something in your sock there, sir. Turn around the other way.
So I just want to set this up. So like I usually talk probable cause, do they need probable cause or facts or evidence under the Fourth Amendment to do a search here, which they have because the store owner called and basically said, hey, these guys are stealing from us, and the police come right away. And then also, it's helpful also to know what the legal definition of stealing is, which what they call larceny. They call it, larceny is basically stealing, the technical legal word for it. So larceny is the wrongful taking. That just means you're taking it without consent. Carrying away, so that just means any kind of movement of the tangible personal property with intent to permanently deprive. Intent to permanently deprive would only come up like if you're taking something that you think belongs to you. That's not stealing. So keep this definition in mind as the video goes on. I think one thing people have wrong is they think they are surprised that you can be in the store. Like they're just back there in the store. You don't have to leave the store to get caught for stealing, because carrying away is just any movement. You don't have to leave the store. So I'll talk more about this as the video goes on.
Oh, your lottery tickets. Okay.
What else is down there? Don't do anything stupid. Okay. No, look at this.
No. Let me have your hand. Stop. Let me have your hand. Come on, buddy. Come on. Hey,
sir, that's not
no. Let me see it. Let me see it. Open up your hand.
Okay, you got it, sir. Sir.
You're gonna get tased, buddy.
Sir, okay. Back off. Sir, that's my money, sir. It's my money. Back off.
Away.
It's my money, sir.
You're gonna have a big problem if you do something stupid. You understand me?
It's my money, damn.
So this is obviously resisting arrest, right? I talk about this often, but even passive resistance, they can add the charge of resisting arrest. And if you were to do anything in terms of physical force against the police officer, they could raise it to a felony. So just something to keep in mind.
Fuck, man.
A13 Central 1, detain.
On the floor, boss.
Detain her real quick.
No, move back. Inside. Stop. Detain her real quick.
Anything else on your person?
No. Back. What do you have in there?
My name's Chris Baker, Officer Baker, okay? You have something in your sock that you shouldn't have. We tell you not to do anything dumb. Alright? The business wants you trespassed. Okay? And then you start trying to hide it in your hands and everything else. All recorded.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay?
It's my money.
Yeah, so we can work through that. Don't be dumb, is what I'm trying to say.
Sir, I'm sorry.
Okay?
Okay.
That's why you're in handcuffs.
Yes.
Stay right there.
Go ahead and detain her.
Okay.
Put her in cuffs.
Another set of cuffs.
Yes.
970 Central. I'll be out with
Young lady, come over here, please. Stand right here, facing the way.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
What was that?
We'll figure it out in a minute, man. Okay? All right. Ma'am, you're going to walk with this officer. I haven't patted him down. He was concealing in his pocket and trying to get stuff out. Have it stop. Get him to the unit. Let's pat him down properly. You have anything that couldn't focus? And right here, buddy. Twinkie things. Was that in her pockets, in her clothes?
Yeah, it was in her pocket. This belongs to him.
Right.
Yeah, and then this.
The cash belongs to him.
Yeah.
That was in her pockets?
This was in her pockets, yeah.
What is
It's from here. Is
It
there
is from
underwear?
here?
Their kids' underwear?
All right, I would just want to quick talk about legally what we've seen so far. So obviously wrongful taking, the first element, what they obviously don't have consent. Carrying away, so just picking up the object and putting it on your person, that's moving the property. So carrying away, and this is of personal property with intent to permanently deprive. So if you're hiding property, or in this case, to store goods on your body, obviously that shows that you have intent to steal, right? So they have all the requirements already. So just something to keep in mind how easy it is. You know, you don't have to go very far with larceny. You just pick something up, put it in your pocket, take one step, boom, larceny. So I just want to kind of set that up right now.
This, I don't know what it is. This is from here also, correct?
Yeah. Okay. You're going to get a citation as long as you don't do anything stupid. And you're going to go about your business. Okay?
My dad just needed some underwear and I need
We'll figure through this, but like I
some
said,
more in my bra.
you have more clothing in your bra?
Yeah, it's underwear.
Do you have any drugs? Any other drugs on you that I need to know about?
No, I'll shake it all out.
Okay.
I'll shake out my bra.
We'll get it out over here, okay? Go ahead and,
Let me get with
yeah,
the
take that.
Do you want me to
Okay,
get it
sir.
out?
No, we're not right now, but yes. We're going to walk to the front door.
You are. Let me show you. Can I put this on the counter here? She took these. She says they belong here. Okay. I don't know. This, she says it belongs here. Okay.
We don't do those.
Yeah, no. But that's what she had in her possession. Oh, shit. All right. What do you call it? So, can you give me pricing on that, please? Descriptions, pricing on what she has. She's got some more stuff on her in her.
We're going to walk to the front door. I appreciate your honesty. Do you have any wants or warrants I need to be aware of?
No.
Okay. Need to read you some. I want you to pay attention, okay? You're under arrest at this point for shoplifting. For you're on a mission. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have one represented or appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. At any time, you can exercise these rights and not answer any of my questions. You understand these rights as I've explained them?
Yeah.
Good. How did you guys get here?
A friend dropped us off.
Are they going to pick you back up when you call them or text them?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he just read her Miranda warnings. Basically, you don't have to talk to the cops, and you could have it right to an attorney. So the police are required to give you your Miranda warnings once there's been a custodial interrogation. So custodial means you're not free to leave. Obviously, they know they're not free to leave. They're in handcuffs. And interrogation is they're asking you basically any statements that an officer would think are incriminating. So asking you what you did in this crime is obviously could incriminate the person. So that's why it's required to issue the Miranda warnings. So there's that.
Put them in mine.
Love you, baby.
Tell my dad, buy me out, baby. Doctor.
Okay.
Go and have a seat. It's not necessary. If you guys would have just talked to us and done what we asked, you guys would have received a criminal trespass warning and gone about your business. None of this would have happened, but his actions dictated it. Okay? What's your first name, young lady?
Honesty.
What is it?
Honesty.
Honesty?
Yeah.
Last name? Alva.
Oh, Al.
Okay. What's his name? Your boyfriend.
You want to let him do all that?
He's gonna do it too, but what's his name? I'm asking you because you're with him. Your boyfriend.
Yeah.
What's his name?
I just don't want to deal with that. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, you're obstructing an investigation at this point. This one you can go to jail because I'm asking you information relative to why I'm present. Okay? Of him identifying himself, you helping me to show, because I have it on camera, you guys are together, you calling him baby.
There's such a culture of never snitch on anyone, snitches get stitches, that she's afraid to even say what his name is, even though he's like right there, and they're gonna find it out in a minute anyway. So, and the obstruction of justice charge, there's lots of charges that police officers can levy against you. Basically, it just means you're not cooperating. So, yeah, back to the video.
I want to verify your guys' story. Okay? What is his first name?
To Conley Elementary? I can get in trouble for not saying that.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to tell you. I just need a name. I'm not asking for his date of birth. Okay?
Can I get in trouble for not wanting to say anything about another person? Or?
Do we really want to go down this route? I'm just asking what their name is. Okay? His name, your boyfriend's name. What is his name? Cool.
His name is Albert.
His what?
His name is Albert.
Last name? Thank you.
Pretty copy 21. First name Angel, last name Sandoval.
It's Albert Sandoval.
6, 27. Albert?
Albert, not Angel.
The year was 94?
Okay.
I don't understand why I
Have a
get
seat.
in trouble for
Have a seat.
wanting to
Please.
say something else about another person.
Please have a seat. Thank you.
No, but can you explain that?
I will here in a minute, okay?
When you like speak at this, isn't that like in other words you don't have to speak?
A13 Central.
A13.
Do you have any female officers working? She still has items in her clothing. I have 972 on the way to make sure there's nothing else. No other code 16. Real quick, young lady, I'm going to have you get inside. Okay, look real quick before you sit down. There's nothing in here. Okay, if there's anything left in here, you alter anything, there is also a camera running. Okay, if you alter anything that's tampering with evidence, that's a 4th-degree felony. Go ahead and get inside the vehicle.
Brother, you can help yourself right now, or she's going in. Or I can cut her, or give her a citation and cut her loose. What do you want? You're gonna keep lying? Okay, she's got shit. She's got stuff on her. She's got stuff on her. Okay? Well, that's what you want. You want her to go in with you? That way both of you can walk in with hands held? Start giving us the information that we need. We're asking for your name. Give us your correct information. Stop playing games. You're a grown man. Stop acting like a little immature kid. Now, I could cut her loose with a citation, or take her in.
What am I doing?
It's up to you. The information you're giving us. What is your name? What is your complete name?
We got it.
You did.
So I think this guy's a career criminal, and a guy like this, no way he's going to cooperate with the police. So later on, they talk about he has 4 warrants out for his arrest. So he's definitely not the kind of guy that's going to kind of willy-nilly just cooperate with police.
Get it, Albert.
He's got 6 blues. It looks like 6 blues. Let me show him to you.
Look at what we got.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
That foil is...
yeah.
First name on it. Which is not what we've been dealing with. So, they were in the process, what looked like shoplifting, removing tags, altering tags, never actually passed all points of sale, made contact with the front of the business. Management requests them trespasses. We made contact with them, talking to him. You can see that there's a foreign object in his clothing, in his sock, on his right leg, which looks like the electronic signal devices, you know what I mean? And we're like, hey, get that out of there, no, don't do anything dumb. Gets it, tries doing this, and tries going to his mouth. Boom, me and him go hands on. He's initially resisting. Get his hands behind his back, put him in cuffs. She tries.
Did you get the rest of the stuff out of her?
No, I have a female officer because she says it's in her bra.
Okay. That's what she had. That's what she had.
Did we get a total for the items that she has that we
The
know of?
ones that she had there, you're running a total on it.
Okay.
But I told him not to finish it
Until we get the other items. Right now with her we have tampering or obstructing, either way, because there's the tampering misdemeanor.
You want to copy of positive 29?
She has one. Go ahead.
for honesty. She's coming back with the Muni 40 for concealing identity. She has a non-extraditable 40 out of El Paso for, looks like bail secured bond with the original charge of code 16. It's non-extraditable. And she surrendered on an ID card only.
Andrea, can you send a chat with the OLN to 975, log and start confirmation?
She's also got one?
Muni. So let me call Sarge real quick, because we're going to need Metro, and since she was trying to tamper with the evidence on 2 different occasions.
Central 977, your 40 seconds.
Here can show 975.
So we need to call Sarge, let him know that we need Metro Narcotics, and give him a brief rundown of why and what we got, how we got here. Okay?
Okay, sounds good.
And it's going to be Sergeant Walker. Do you have your personal phone?
I have my personal phone. Yep.
Do you have his number?
I don't.
Alright, I'll just give him a ring-a-ling,
Okay.
and I'll give you his number here in a minute.
Okay, perfect. You're going to call him on yours then, right?
Yeah. Alright, we come to the call, Family Dollar, North Main. Looks like they're trying to shoplift, right? We get on scene. They're altering tags. They haven't actually passed any points of sale, but they're requesting them trespass. They point them out to us. We walk up to them. We tell them why we're here and that they're going to be trespassed. We see a foreign object in the sock of the male subject's clothing. She has stuff stuffed in her clothing, which I have 972 removing at this time. Guy has warrants. Girl has warrants. So, requesting Metro. Alrighty, sir. Alright. Later.
Do you have a bronze? Yeah, right? It's 4 plus. The box on it or the third?
Oh, that's just a knot on your
You
shirt.
could undo it if you want to.
No, that's fine.
Separate your feet for me? No, face that way. Separate your feet. Anything inside the shoes?
Are those socks from here?
No, these are mine.
No, these.
No socks.
Go ahead and
that one she admitted.
go ahead and put your slippers in.
Metro's going to respond. Let's get a total for all the items now.
He's the manager here. Oh yeah, we do that. I don't know if this was a county. I'm gonna go take it. Who's it? Sarah Lee that's doing it? Sarah, it's she. Okay.
What her 49? I just need her first and last name. Honesty.
They're both going in. 5:31, so they came in about 10 minutes before that.
So 1720. I'm sorry, 520. You're the manager here, sir?
I'm the manager.
Okay, great. They have warrants on them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Drugs?
Yeah.
And we found out because when I was walking, the guy turned around and looked at me kind of weird.
Yeah.
And then I disappeared and I went
Yes.
to camera, and then he was all the way to the clothing. And
Yes.
like, oh, that's the usual.
Okay. I'm just going to use the address here, sir, okay?
No problem.
So what is your phone number, sir?
915?
Oh, 915? Oh, you're El Paso.
El Paso. 275? See?
Yes. 915? You commute over here every day?
Every day,
Yeah,
sir.
me too.
El Paso don't pay.
No.
I apply over there for positions, and they offered me $12.50 an hour. My cashier makes $13.50.
Oh, my goodness.
So I'm like, no, thank you. I'll commute.
Yeah, I'm retired El Paso Police.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Which,
I worked everywhere.
oh, really?
Yeah, I was on the gang unit and public affairs and... Okay. All right, we got everything. Okay, sir. Here's your hat. Okay, I got your driver's license number and I got everything on there in case I need it there. Okay, and you are the manager.
Yes.
Okay. And you observed them actually taking the tags off of the clothes, taking the tags off.
They were trying to remove them,
Yes.
but those are very hard to remove.
Yes.
And I don't know if they were trying to actually break the little thing on the back is plastic.
Yeah.
So I don't know if
Okay.
they were trying to take that off,
Okay.
or if they were looking for clothing that they didn't have a tag.
Did you see what happened right now when we made
No,
the arrest?
but there's video. I could see.
Oh, do you have video of it? Okay, great. You know what? Just in case they need it, you know, we can come back.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Pick it up, okay?
We'll
sir.
make a copy for you guys.
No, I appreciate it. Then.
No problem.
Okay, and I'll go in. Oh, we're getting some more property from you that she had hidden on her. We had a female. Oh, there he goes. Hey, Mando. He's the manager here. What did you? Oh yeah, we need a total on everything now.
I'm gonna go take it. Who's Sarah Lee that's doing it?
Sarah, she could do it.
Sounds good.
Yeah. This is not the first time. They like 3-4 times they come here.
Coming in. Okay, no, sounds good.
And sometimes I don't.
Honestly, that's the part that shocked me. Is she's like, oh, they've been there trying to do this 3 or 4 times. It's like, really? You're gonna keep coming back to the same store and trying stealing, and you think you're gonna get away with it? Like, no. So, and then, and back to this definition, you can see they're trying to collect all this evidence to support the crime. So trying to take the tags off, obviously that supports intent to deprive. If you guys like a little legal analysis with your body cam videos, subscribe, and I'll keep putting out more like these. All right, thank you.
I've chased people out of here, but
Yeah, you don't want to get involved. You don't want to. No.
there was one guy last week took a swing at me, and I'm like,
Yeah. No.
I took my stand, and then the guy started running, so I'm like,
No, that's what we're here for. So,
Okay.
But if we need something else, I'll go inside and get you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Get one shot, I get the other. The guy doesn't want to put his hands behind his back, so we have to forcefully put him back there, put him in cuffs. The girl, while we're doing that, keeps walking up and trying to kick the that he dropped out of the way.
Sweet.
One's doing a search, and this is Baker.
Yeah, no, we're trying to do the search, and she had items inside her bag here, and as we're moving her to the side, she tries to kick it again, you know, because we hadn't gotten down to pick up the stuff, you know. She tries to kick it again underneath the clothes there, and, you know, I retrieved it. So she got it there.
They have fentanyl.
Yeah, they have everything here, sir.
on them, we're not.
No.
And then this is the one that the officer brought me with this. And this is the other stuff.
Was there another person involved?
Yeah, there's yeah.
Did you guys find any other stuff on him?
So if you're wondering in these videos, the shoplifting videos on YouTube, why police are always trying to find out what's the total amount for what they stole, it's because the severity of the punishment goes up depending on, you know, how much they've stolen. Like usually over $1,000, there's a greater punishment. I mean, it's hard to imagine they stole that much, you know, because this is a dollar store. But yeah, that's the reason they do it.
That's where they were at. And it was together with the packaging.
You already gave him a total though?
No.
You're still ringing it?
This one's right?
Yeah.
I don't think she had any of this stuff on her.
Yeah.
Maybe the guy.
She might have left it somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. These and the other is personal.
Okay.
Do you need anything from me? Okay.
You want me to give you a total? Yeah, please.
Lunch? I need lunch.
So do I.
We get him outside. He has like 4 warrants. The girl has a warrant. We verify what was in that bag. The bag has meth, what looks like heroin, and 6 blues. The girl had a bunch of property still stuffed in her clothes. So I got her for shoplifting, obstructing, tampering, because we had to tell her multiple times to get away, and you can see her on camera trying to kick.
Was he injured at all? Or anything?
Not at all, sir.
And then I got the guy with obstruction and trying to conceal it and tamper with it while we were present.
Right.
Were you injured at all? Anything today? Nothing like that? Okay. Then you had the warrants and all that stuff? Okay. Alright. And then all the other stuff that Scott with you about, alright? Alright, man.
Within 5 to 10 minutes from the Albertsons on North Main.